Have you been throwing away banana peels after eating bananas? What if I told you that those peels could be the secret to growing tomato and pepper plants loaded with bigger fruits, healthier leaves, and stronger roots? Many experienced gardeners have been using banana peels for decades, and the results are impressive. Instead of spending money on expensive fertilizers, they turn ordinary kitchen waste into a powerful natural plant booster. Today, I'll show you exactly why banana peels work, how to use them correctly, and the common mistakes that can actually harm your plants. Trust me, you'll never look at banana peels the same way again. Welcome back to the Flora Atlas, where we share simple, practical, and science-backed gardening tips to help your garden thrive naturally. If you enjoy growing your own vegetables and want healthier harvests without spending a fortune, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now, let's discover why gardeners call banana peels garden gold. Section 1. Why banana peels are so valuable. Banana peels may look like ordinary food waste, but they're packed with nutrients that plants love. They contain potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, small amounts of nitrogen trace minerals. Potassium is especially important for tomatoes and peppers. It helps plants produce stronger stems, healthier flowers, better fruit development, and improves the flavor of the fruits. Phosphorus supports healthy root growth and encourages flowering. Calcium helps reduce problems like blossom end rot in tomatoes. As banana peels slowly decompose, these nutrients are gradually released into the soil, feeding your plants naturally over time. Section 2. Why tomatoes and peppers. Love banana peels. Tomatoes and peppers are heavy feeders. As they begin producing flowers and fruits, they demand large amounts of potassium. Without enough potassium, plants may produce smaller fruits, fewer flowers, weak stems. Poor fruit quality, banana peels provide an excellent natural source of this important nutrient. Many gardeners notice more flowers, better fruit set, larger tomatoes, bigger peppers, stronger plants, richer fruit color. While banana peels aren't a complete fertilizer, they work wonderfully as part of a healthy garden routine. Section 3. The best way to use banana peels. Now here's where many people make mistakes. Simply throwing whole banana peels on top of the soil isn't the best method. Instead, method 1. Chop and bury. Cut the peels into small pieces. Dig a shallow trench about 4 to 6 inches away from the plant stem. Place the chopped peels into the trench. Cover them with soil. This allows microorganisms to break them down faster while keeping pests away. Method 2. Banana peel. Place. Chop banana peels into a container of water. Let them soak for 2 to 3 days. Use this nutrient-rich water to irrigate your tomatoes and peppers around the base of the plants. This provides a gentle nutrient boost during flowering and fruit production. Method 3. Compost. Adding banana peels to your compost pile creates nutrient-rich compost that benefits your entire garden. Compost improves soil structure, moisture retention, and supports beneficial microbes. Section 4. What happens underground? Here's something many people don't realize. The real magic isn't only the nutrients. As banana peels decompose, they feed beneficial bacteria, fungi, and earthworms. These organisms improve soil health naturally. Healthy soil leads to better root systems, improved nutrient absorption, stronger disease resistance, better water retention. Healthy soil equals healthier plants. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Although banana peels are beneficial, using them incorrectly can cause problems. Avoid these mistakes. Don't place large fresh peels directly against the stem. This can encourage mold and attract insects. Don't use too many peels at once. Excess organic matter may decompose slowly and temporarily upset the nutrient balance in the soil. Don't rely only on banana peels. Tomatoes and peppers still require nitrogen, sunlight, regular watering, healthy soil, and proper spacing. Think of banana peels as an excellent supplement, not a miracle solution. Section 6. Bonus tip from old gardeners. Here's a traditional trick many experienced gardeners still use. Combine banana peels with crushed eggshells in your compost or garden beds. Banana peels provide potassium. Eggshells slowly release calcium. Together, they create a more balanced natural soil amendment that supports strong roots and healthy fruit development. Simple, inexpensive, and highly effective. Conclusion. The next time you eat a banana, don't throw away the peel. Instead, give it back to your garden. Over time, those simple kitchen scraps can help create healthier soil, stronger tomato plants, more productive pepper plants, and a harvest you'll be proud of. Remember, successful gardening isn't always about buying expensive products. Sometimes the best solutions have been sitting in our kitchens all along. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Have you ever tried using banana peels in your garden? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear what worked for you. And if you're passionate about growing healthier vegetables naturally, subscribe to the Flora Atlas for more practical gardening tips, natural fertilizers, and proven growing techniques every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!